Ready to unlock the secrets to clear, glowing skin? Today, I've got a straightforward, no-nonsense guide to help you achieve that confident and radiant look you've always wanted. Step 1. Discover your skin type. First things first, let's get to know your skin better. Dry, oily, combination, or normal? Which one are you? Find out by washing your face, waiting 30 minutes, and observing how it feels. Knowing your skin type is the key to choosing the right skincare products. Step 2. Craft your skincare routine. Now that you've identified your skin type, let's create a simple routine. Cleanse your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser. After cleansing, moisturize with a product suitable for your skin type. Don't forget sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. SPF 30 or higher is a must. Consider adding toner, exfoliator, and serum for extra benefits. Step 3. Nourish your body from within. Your skin loves a healthy diet. Load up on fruits and veggies for their skin-loving nutrients. Stay hydrated with plenty of water. Say goodbye to processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine or alcohol. Step 4. Get moving. Exercise is your skin's best friend. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Step 5. Nurture your mind. Stress isn't your skin's friend. Find relaxation through exercise, meditation, or nature. Step 6. Ditch the bad habits. Let's talk about some bad habits that do no favors to your skin. Hands off your face, please. Touching it all day is like inviting trouble over. Popping pimples? Nope, that's a big no-no. Change those pillowcases regularly. They collect more dirt than you think. Makeup to bed? Don't do it. And smoking? Well, you know the drill. Just don't. Outro. And there you have it, folks, my no BS guide on how to rock clear, healthy skin. Stick with these simple steps, and you'll be on your way to a complexion that'll make heads turn. Stay confident. Stay awesome. Thanks for tuning in to Glowitch.